It's time for another round of cheesy fusion toasties. Perfect for a quick and easy snack. For the Mexican-style chili cheese toast, we'll make a creamy, dreamy corn dip. In a large bowl, start with some boiled corn. Stir in the sour cream, mayonnaise, red chili powder, garlic powder, cumin powder, jalapenos, spring onions, some cheddar cheese. Mix it up and you're good to go. Meanwhile, toast the bread slices until they're golden and crisp. Butter them if you like or use them as is. Cut the bread slices diagonally or in whatever shape you prefer. Spread this dip over the toasted bread slices. Top with more cheese if you're feeling cheesy. And bake until the cheese melts. Remove them on a plate and serve hot. Next, for the Lebanese cheese toast, we'll make a mahamara dip. The dip is made with roasted red bell peppers, which we roasted in a 200-degree oven after brushing with some oil for 35 to 40 minutes. You need to turn them every 10 to 15 minutes until they look soft and charred. Remove the tray from the oven and let the peppers cool down. Peel the skin off the peppers and cut them into small pieces. Add them into a mixer along with lightly toasted walnuts, extra virgin olive oil, cumin powder, red chili flakes, powdered jaggery, lemon juice, breadcrumbs, garlic cloves, and salt to taste. Blend this to a coarse mixture. Then get some toasted bread slices and smear them with butter. Spread the sauce evenly on the bread slice. Crumble a little feta cheese over it. Top it with some fragrant chives and you're ready to munch. All these sauces are super versatile and can be used as dips as well. Pair them with chips or pita bread and you're good to go. Cheddar, paneer, parmesan, mozzarella. With so many options to choose from, you can use whatever cheese you like. For awesome fusion toast for a toastacular feast. Check out our previous video for more cheesy toast recipes. Hope you'll try these out for a quick and quirky meal. And thanks for watching.